Kodiak Baptist Mission has never been just a place. It is a people, a movement of faithful believers who decades ago planted a ministry on this island at the edge of nowhere. What began as an orphanage has grown into an outpost of the kingdom of God, a place where people come away, find renewal, and leave transformed. Since 1893, KBM has walked faithfully into each new season. Our mission has always been the same: to share the salvation message of Jesus Christ with as many people as possible. Today, we focus on families, equipping them to see their homes as mission outposts, because the most effective mission field is right where you live, in the conversations around the dinner table, the prayers whispered before bed, and the lessons learned through chores, meals, and laughter. Often ministry here doesn't look traditional. It may be a child learning responsibility while feeding a goat, a blacksmith's hammer teaching how God shapes our lives, or a bike camp where kids discover courage and community. This is the beauty of a mission, stretching and reaching of the church into everyday life. God has given KBM more opportunities than we could possibly use alone. So we open our doors to families, mission teams, and groups from across the country. Together we train, encourage, and send people back to their communities renewed and ready to serve. And we are grateful for our partners. Your prayers, your giving, and your presence fuels this work. You keep the lights on, the animals cared for, and the gospel moving forward. As Jesus said in Luke 10:2, "The harvest is plentiful, but the workers are few." Kodiak Baptist Mission is not just a place. It is a movement of faithful believers who are living, who are growing, and going, as we equip families and churches to live mission-minded in their everyday lives. And we invite you to be part of it.